Is this on? Morning, folks. Chad here on Hidden Springs Farm. Oh, wait. That's the wrong channel. Okay, hold on a second. I'm trying to... Morning, folks. It's Dan. At the Ghost Green HydeAway Farm. Today, we are taking a look around. We've let everybody out to express themselves. And I guess my point was support a fellow YouTube channel, Hidden Springs Farm. If you don't know, he's a content creator up in Canada. Show you what it would be like to have to deal with and try to do what I would be doing if I moved to Canada. One of my all-time favorite places. Yeah, hey buddy, what's up? So this is our Tom. Ah, he's a big boy. We got this guy at the Tractor Supply. Oh, excuse me. The Treasure Supply Castle. Hi, big boy. Who's my handsome man? Look at you. He was just a little boy. Of course, if you remember, you look at the videos from earlier. Everybody's out and about. If you look at the videos from earlier this year. Hey! See, this is what I mean about. You see that? Did you see that? Yeah, he did that to my other people on here. Come here, Turkey. Get you. Chomp. Yeah, you're giving me the eyeball. I mean, stink. Alright, we'll deal with that in a minute. I'm gonna have to watch the video and see how that played out. Because you do that to anybody else, be the last time you come out of that box, and the next box you're in, it's gonna be refrigerated. Okay, I had to go do pig food. I do. On the way there. Don't bounce some waters. Everybody else is just out and about. It's a willy-nilly. Oh, okay. We'll do the pony first since she asked so nice. So yeah, on this farm we have chickens, and 2 different species of ducks. We have the Peckins. We have the Khaki Campbell. I'm gonna have to make a run to the hay company. Yeah, hi, beautiful. There we go. There you go, Sugar Sweets. Right. Riding pony. We were gonna get a harness for her so that the children's harness, small kids can ride her. I need to get the tractor on her field. Hey guys, how's it going in here? Some watermelons that could get done. Pig food. Alright. Hold on a second. On your marks, get set. Chill. Oh wait. Ta-da! 3. Go. Ta-da! You know what I mean. Okay, come on. I'm gonna leave it dehydrated. I added the dehydrated water already. You just have to add water to rehydrate the dehydrated water. Can I do this with one hand? I don't know. Can you? Oh. How strong is your one hand? Strong enough. How about you? You wanna go for a ride? Hey. Stronger than I thought. Okay. Hold on a second. Snap. Go. Okay. So here's what we got kicking right now. The Boo Boo Banana Bamboo Garden, Memorial Garden, is taking off. We've got this amazing bed plant, I forget what it's called, but then the bananas came back, and then back there, we have one piece of bamboo. Okay. Juicy. Okay. And then, hey, they keep eating this plant. I don't know what to do with it. Besides, get a better way to protect it. Put it that way. I pulled up the electric netting. We're not letting them run around out there anymore. Got everybody isolated. Porthos is by himself. Yes, you are. Who's my big boy? Love him. Get some room. Oh, look at that tick. Oh boy. Don't look. Alright, well you can look. Gross. Hulk smash. Don't look. Okay. Sorry about it, Kato, buddy. Got any more? Yeah, definitely have to. I think I need to do some dishes around here. Same thing here. What I've done is excavating because I want to get some wood chips out in the front yard. Get the tractor running. Fill this back in with wood chips. Build some more dirt because this is just dirt. Same thing in here. Hippie pigs. Same thing in here. I started excavating to make dirt. Oh look, I have everything wrapped up. Right. She's still trying to get pregnant. She's just Volda Pork or Henrietta Porker. Cup sausage and bacon. Sausage. Really been doing some good work excavating the tree. And getting my redneck croquet course set up. Wait, it's time. Bye-bye.